what we have studied in our previous class was adjectives. We have learnt adjectives, what are adjectives, their kinds, and specifically the comparison of the degrees of the adjectives, which are three: positive, comparative and superlative. Now today, because we have learned something, and as I already told you that without practice you cannot learn grammar, so let's practice here. There is an exercise just behind me on the blackboard, you can see that. I am going to solve it for you and try to understand the concept. So let's begin with our class today. Topic is adjectives. Exercise: underline the adjectives in the following sentences and state their kind. So here first sentence is Rohit showed much patience. Now what is adjective in it? It is much. Showed is the verb, patience is the object, Rohit is the subject and much is the adjective. Now what kind of adjective it is? It is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity means how much patience, how much, less, few, a little, a few or much. So Rohit showed much patience is adjective of quantity. Next I am coming, each hand has 5 fingers. So here adjective is 5. Why? Which adjective it is? It is adjective of number. It is showing me the exact number that it has 5 fingers. Whose shirt is this? Now whose, which kind of adjective? Because it is with the noun, shirt is the noun, and the adjectives which comes up with the noun and ask a question are called interrogative, interrogative adjectives. Next sentence, most children like cartoon shows. So most, more, how much, again the same adjective of quantity. And the last one, what a blessing. So here again, what is adjective here. Now again I am writing here 5 more examples so that you can solve these examples at your home, and just open the notebook while solving it. Try to read out the definitions, though I believe that you have already learnt it. Let me write 5 more for you here. So our sixth one is these mangoes are sour. Seventh one is Mr. Sharma is an honest man. Jumping upon to the 8th one, it is more than half of our planet is covered with water. The next one is the 9th one, and it is Indian spices are exported all over the world. Let's take the last one, which is 10th one, and that is, what breed is your dog? So here 5 I have solved for you particularly, remaining 6 to 10, that is 5 I have solved and 5, these are the sentences. In every sentence you will find one adjective. Underline the adjective as stated in the exercise and also state what kind of adjective it is. This is your practice and homework for adjectives. Now jumping upon to our next exercise, you can pause the video and you can copy these for your homework purpose. I am rubbing it now and jumping upon to the next exercise. So this exercise belongs to the kinds of adjectives. Another part which we have studied about the kinds of adjectives are the degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. So what degree it is, and I have to write positive degree into either comparative or superlative. How? Let's take an exercise here to solve. Exercise is, fill in the correct form of adjectives given in brackets. I am writing exercise here. First one is, my house is big dash than yours. The second one is, the flower is beautiful than that one. Third one is, while I am writing it, try to write the degrees of it. This is the interesting book I have ever read. Fourth one is, non-smokers usually live bracket long than the smokers. Fifth one is, which is the bracket dangerous animal in the world. So I write 5 sentences here for you. Now fill in the correct form of adjectives given in brackets. In brackets you see adjectives are given in every of the sentence. Now what I have to do in this exercise, I have to write in the correct form of adjectives. Either it could be positive, positive means an ordinary quality of something, or either it could be comparative. Comparative is the degree. For the sake of your revision I am repeating here, comparative is the degree when you compare two things. And when you compare more than two things, or which is the highest degree among all, is called superlative. So let's solve this exercise together so that you will understand the concept of degrees. My house is big than yours. What than is there? It means I am comparing two houses. One is of mine, another one is of yours. So here I am comparing two houses. Then if you compare adjective between the two persons or two places or two things, here we are comparing two things, that is house, two houses we are comparing, then it is called comparative degree. How to form comparative degree? You have to put ER. I have told you the rules. So my house is BIGG, bigger than yours. Next one, the flower is beautiful than that one. Now again I am comparing two flowers because the word than is here. Again I am comparing two flowers. One is the dead one and another one which I am talking about. So again it is comparative degree, and beautiful, as I have taught you in my class, is a two-syllable word. So to form the comparative degree of two-syllable word, I use more for comparative degree, whereas I use most for the superlative degree. So the flower is more beautiful. I am writing for you, more beautiful than that one. Third, this is the interesting book I have ever read. I have ever read means, it means that is among all the books whatsoever I have read till yet in my life, this is the interesting one. So it is superlative. And interesting is, again, if you speak interesting, your tongue part will touch to your upper part of the mouth. Interesting is two-syllable word and it is superlative degree. So I use, this is the most interesting book I have ever read. In sentence number 2, two-syllable word is there but the degree is comparative, so I use more. Whereas in sentence number 3, again a two-syllable word is there, interesting, but it is superlative, so I use the word most. Now fourth one is, non-smokers usually live than the smokers. Here I am comparing two things. One is a smoker, another one is non-smoker. So non-smokers usually live, comparative degree L-O-N-G, long, I put ER, it becomes longer. Non-smokers usually live longer than smokers. Fifth one is, which is the dangerous animal in the world? So I am not asking about between two animals, I am not comparing, I am comparing it to the whole of the animals, which is the dangerous one. Between all the animals, highest degree of dangerous. Now it is again superlative degree, so which is the most dangerous. Why I am saying most dangerous? Because dangerous is again a two-syllable word. I hope that you understand how to compare the degrees. I have already told you the rules of comparison or to make the comparative or superlative degree, but with the exercise the concept will be easy to understand. Now I am writing 5 more points for you so that at your home you can practice it and try to solve it in the same way as I have done in the class. So again let me rub it and let me write from start, that is 5 more sentences. 5 we have completed, that is your classwork, and remaining 5 which I am writing it for you will be your homework to practice. 6th one is a holiday by the sea is good. Then a holiday by the mountains now 7th one for you is Who is the, which is your adjective, women in the world. Eighth one, the weather this summer is even bad than last summer. Ninth one for your homework is, he was the clever thief of all. Writing 10th one for you, that is, he is rich than his neighbors. I have written 5 sentences for you, 5 I have solved. So now what you have to do, you have to write the correct degree of adjectives in the blanks which are provided to you. You have to judge whether it is comparative. If it is comparative, fill out with the rules comparative degree, or if it is superlative, fill out the superlative one. Now, as you have solved it, again I am going to give you one more exercise. Just 5 more sentences, so that you will be having complete 15 sentences as in your homework. Let me write 5 more. Exercise remains same. 11th one is, I can swim. Good is adjective. Then you. 12th one here is, which is the difficult word to spell out of 2. 13th one is, she is the tall among all the girls. 14th one, the second last one for you is, his car is cheap than mine. And the last one for today homework is, Rohit is not so smart as his brother. So what we have done today, we have done 2 kinds of exercises. One is of the adjectives, where I have to underline or I have to find out the adjective, and then I have to tell what kind of adjective it is. 5 I have solved in front of you, remaining 5 I have given you in your homework so that you can practice it by your own self. Apart from that, next exercise which we have solved 5 sentences. Here I have solved in the class for you, where I have to write the correct degree of adjectives. Remaining 10 I have given you for the homework. Tomorrow class again I will come up for you with the answers of these. Though you are not in front of me, I cannot check your answers, but you have to check your answers by yourself tomorrow when I will solve this exercise. That is all about the class. Today's class I have taken for the practice session, and then again I will come up and we will start with our new topic. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you. God bless you.